guys, I want to show you something cool. Last time I shoot a bubble like this. I shoot it on time. Right, Daddy?
Yes. Oh no.
I want to say thank you guys for 10 subscribers. If you guys subscribe it again, I will make another video. And this is my house, yeah. If you want to meet me, just go to
Okay, don't
Indonesia.
Don't tell.
Why?
It's classified, you know. You know when somebody drive a car in YouTube, it's classified. You don't know what classified means, doesn't you?
Yeah, I just want to say we're in Indonesia.
Did you turn up the volume?
Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let's get started.
But who's going to record on that?
Let's do this. Okay.
This is the bubble, and Angga is going to shoot at it with a nerf. Wait, Angga, before you shoot it, come here. So Angga is using Disruptor nerf. It shoots 22 meters, and let's try it. Angga, don't use this one.
Yeah.
There.
I want to be wrong.
Come on, Angga.
Fine.
Take a minute.
I'm so happy with YouTuber. It's just like what our dream come true. Wait, I'm not ready yet.
This is the bubble, and
Oh my goodness, boys. Okay.
Come on, shoot.
No, just like.
No, I can't. I make the bubble so many. Come on, just shoot it.
Fine. No. Restart.
No.
Restart.
You take the bubble.
You have to jump the bubble. Sorry, guys.
It's so hard to make it.
Last time we did it. I swear. I don't lie.
Yeah, we didn't lie.
If we lie, we go to hell.
Okay, a minute, guys. A minute. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No, Angga miss.
No.
Angga miss.
It's just like last time. Last time I go here.
Look at that.
No. Sorry, guys. I'm not like.
Back up so they can see the bubble.
Okay, fine.
This is the bubble that we actually make.
Yeah. If you want to make, how to make that? I forget.
It's like this. You throw it up. First, get your soapy thingy bubble magic and hold it with your right hand. But if you can't use your right hand, you use left hand. But it's kind of harder with the left hand. So get your right hand and then throw it up like this. Oops, sorry, I failed that one.
Where is my ammo?
Okay, like this. And there you go. You have a bubble.
Okay, Abby, I want to shoot it. Okay, guys, one more last try. Please, someone subscribe. Oh no.
Someone subscribe if it hits the bubble. Okay.
Wait. Guess.
Yes.
Yeah. If I shoot it,
This is taking so long. Just shoot it.
If I shoot it, 1 subscribe. If I don't shoot it, 0 subscribe. Okay?
Get
And
1
comment
subscribe.
below. And comment below. Am I going to shoot it?
Okay. In 3, 2. Oh, never mind.
Really?
Never mind.
Comment below like.
It's so hard to
You
shoot.
should go.
Yes, shoot.
Yes! You see it? Yes!
Thanks.
Thanks guys for watching. That's how do you do shooting.
Nerf gun.
With Nerf gun is perfect shot. Thank you guys for watching.
And see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Wait, Abby. And if you like our video, maybe you can comment or
No, you only can comment if you actually subscribe the video. Okay, goodbye guys, and see you in the next video.
wait, Abby, don't do that. If I shoot it, you do it.